Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be doing my May Shop My Stash. I didn't do one for April and I'm not sure why, so I just went ahead and cleaned out my everyday makeup drawer so that we can start fresh because to be honest, I couldn't remember what I had pulled for the month prior. Everything sort of got mixed around, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in my everyday makeup drawer, which is right here. So everything that is in here is either in a project pan or is just something that's an everyday user, like the millions of open mascaras and eyeliners and brow products that I have hanging out up here. These are all of the lip products that I am currently working on. That's my cat. I have some magnetic palettes. This is the Build Your Own palette that I did for my May tarot reading over on Instagram, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. This houses just some random stuff like the Rockateur blush that I'm working on for my Pan That imprint. Sorry, my cat is rubbing himself up against my tripod, which is making it kind of wiggle. Sorry about that. And then in here I have all of the eyeshadows that I'm working on in Pan Those Eyeshadows, Deca Panning, whatever has an eyeshadow in it. It's hanging out in here. And then in here we have just some additional eye products. So we have my tiny pans, we have two of the eyeshadows that I'm working on in other projects rather, have some eye bases, stuff like that. This side is complexion products, so again, things like my foundation, concealer, powder, stuff like that. And then back here we have the highlighters that I'm working on in some projects. So we definitely have some holes, and let's go ahead and see what else we want to pull in for the month of May. Alright, so this is the drawer that has all of my powders, my foundations, and my concealers. So I shouldn't really need too much because I am working on these types of products in other projects. However, I would like to pull in a loose powder. So I think the one that I want is this one right here. This is from Beauty Bakery. I picked this up in the most recent Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale and I've been really enjoying it. So I do want to go ahead and pull that in. And do I want anything else? No, I think we'll just leave it at that because I really need to be focusing on the two foundations that I have going in other projects. This drawer has all of my highlighters, my bronzers, and my blushes. So I do need a bronzer to work on. And I think I will grab this one here because I haven't used it in a really, really long time. But I think it has a little bit of a sheen to it, which I think would be so perfect for this time of year. And let's see. That is what it looks like. So I think the tone is nice. So we're going to pull that out. Yeah, definitely it has a sheen, which I think will be fun. And then I've only got one blush that I'm working on currently, and that is Rockateur from Benefit. So I'm definitely going to pull this right here because I've been so obsessed with it. This is from Bare Minerals. This is their bronzer that I hauled in the Sephora sale. I have mine in Kiss of Copper, which is the kind of mid-tone shade. And I absolutely love it, you guys. I love it so much. It's definitely more on the orangey side, so it doesn't stand alone as a bronzer, but it is really, really beautiful, and I, as I said, am obsessed with it. But I do want to get something that's a little bit different in tone as well. So let's take a look at... That's very pink. Yeah, let's go with this one. It's got a kind of mauve-y pink. This is from Essence. This is their Silky Touch blush. Mine is in the shade Baby Doll. I don't know if that'll focus or not. Really, really love this formula. I think, though, that it's been discontinued, which I feel like is an absolute shame. that is what it looks like there. Can't really tell. I don't tend to typically gravitate towards really pinky blushes, but I think that this will look really nice. So that is what we'll grab there. And as far as highlighters go, I do have a couple that I am currently working on. So I should be smart and leave it at that. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, responsible Ashley, responsible. All right, so I lied and I decided to be irresponsible and pull in a highlighter. This is from Ofra. This is the Start Inspired highlighter. This is in collaboration with Samantha March. Picked this up from the 21 Days of Beauty sale as well. And I thought it'd be fun to pull in kind of a pinkier highlighter, since the both that I have over here are a little bit more golden. So responsible Ashley went out the window. Are we surprised? Nope, we're not. So let's go ahead and add our powder in here. Add these guys in here. And then I also pulled two palettes to play around with. So the first one is from the brand Ziza, and this is their collaboration with the British Museum. I purchased this off of Amazon, and it's got definitely more fall inspired eyeshadows, but I did want to play around with it and kind of get a feel for it. I see them advertised all the time. Their packaging, so good, so good. So I decided I would pick one up. So I do want to play around with that a little bit. And then if you, again, follow me on Instagram, you know that I did finally get my Glaminatrix U Beauty palette. So excited. I have been grabbing for this non-stop. This is what it looks like, and the camera is not doing it justice. These shimmer shades are amazing. Oh my gosh, they are so flippin' beautiful, and I love this palette so much. I'm working on a 3 looks 1 palette for you guys, so hopefully I'll be able to get that out this month. So we're gonna be playing with that as well. And I think that has everything covered as far as what is going to be hanging out in my everyday makeup drawer. I don't know if it'll close anymore with these palettes, but I think we'll be doing okay. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.